I got interrupted there for a second. Uh, I think we were making it so that you could buy a grandma. So we did put in this grandma class. You can make a grandma. There's the cost. Delay was 2 seconds, and the action was a loop that you could turn off if necessary by clearing the action. But when you run the activate method, then you set it equal to a set interval, which adds a cookie every 2 seconds. So we did get it to work where you have to get up to 10 cookies before you can buy a grandma. Now we want to make it so that you can actually click that then and pay the cookies. I'm not sure how Cookie Clicker works, but I guess you're going to deduct the 10 cookies. You're going to pay for the grandma, but then grandma can make it for you every 2 seconds. So slow, but you can buy multiple grandmas. So I'm gonna we can sort of copy this maybe. This stuff here. This was the button. We grabbed the button, added an on-click function, which added a cookie. We are going to do the same, but now we're going to say a variable. I guess this is G button, and this is for the grandmas. We're going to find the. Actually, did I already define this? Let's see. I guess not. So find the grandma on the HTML page. That should be the whole button. And then we'll do the same. We'll put an on click for it, and the function will, before it does anything, it's not going to increase the cookie that you have, cookie count, or increment it up by 1. It'll create a grandma activator if you have the funds for it. So if cookies is greater than or equal to 10, then it will work, else it won't work. So this will only happen if you have the cookies. Cookies minus equals 10, so we will remove 10 cookies from your stock. We will say var g equals new grandma, and that will make a grandma. And then we'll need to activate the grandma. So g.activate, and that should be good. Yeah, I think that'll work. So let's give that a shot. Click run. I need to get some cookies. It is not working. Oh, I said B, so I changed the buttons. We need to say GB, G button. Okay, so B still works as it should. You can now get a grandma and a clicker. I no longer can get a grandma, and I have an error in my code, so let's see what happened. Cookie is not defined. Cookies. Cookie. Let me see. Cookie is not defined in the activate, so up and activate. It should be cookies. So I'm going to try that again. Click the cookie button. Alright, buy a grandma. Now every 2 seconds it should give me an additional cookie. And I'm going to let this get up to 10 and buy another one. See if how that plays out. So yeah, each of them is on their own separate 2-second delay. I don't know if it's not going to be one every second. They might sort of get bunched. But there you go. This is exponential growth now. Alright, now you're really cooking. Or at least your grandmas are. I'll stop with the jokes and the video. Anyway, that's how you make a simple cookie clicker game. These grandmas are turning up the heat. Okay, that wasn't the last one. Alright. Hope that was helpful.